Hi everyone, welcome back to the Minty Cactus channel. This, for those of you that know, is my daughter's artwork. And Jamie from Devil Dog's Keeper, that's her channel name. I said it backwards. I apologize. Anyway, uh, she turned Rachel's artwork, Little Cactus, into a sticker. This is a sticker. I'm going to show you. See? It's a sticker. Okay. Someone's company, someone who has a 3D printing business contacted me and said, you know what? We would love to make you a 3D rendering, 3D printed version of this. So when it came to me, it was gray. And I'll show you a picture of that. This is what I painted. See what you think. See the colors. See how it came out. And the painting, there's even sand in the bottom. Would you look at that? I tried to capture all of the colors. It's not quite going to be the same. That's the back. That's the back. I love this. I love the way it came out. I adore it. I think it's amazing. So yeah, this is what my channel mascot looks like. That's what I call it anyway. Channel mascot. From concept to stickers to 3D printing to being painted and looking pretty darn similar. Not bad. Not bad. That's what I say. Not bad at all. I'm pretty impressed. Thank you everyone who put their effort into the artwork, the stickers, the 3D printing, and now the cactus mascot that I just get to have on my desk. I absolutely love this. And the fact that Rachel taught me how to paint it. Use a little bit of this, use a little bit of that for shading, Mom. No, use this painting technique. Nope, use that brush stroke. Yeah, she taught me how to paint. That proves a lot, to me anyway. An old dog can learn new tricks. You all have an amazing day now. Take care. That was not a pot shot at anybody, only myself.